This is Cape Cod Phil coming to you live from the Sandwich Boardwalk. Look at this light show I'm getting. Holy crap. It's so weird seeing like so much lightning but not hearing any thunder. It is absolutely beautiful. Just had a yummy steak and cheese down at the Sandwich Pizza House. I highly recommend it. But look at that. My crap. Very nice. How's your lightning? Crazy. Beautiful. Mother Nature at her finest. Boom. Boom goes the dynamite. That's crazy. Nice. Ooh, ah. It hasn't hindered the mosquitoes at all. Whoa. Wow. Oh my God. This is insane. Crazy. Cray. Cray. Look at that. Oonka, oonka, oonka. So nice.